Today's video is on the top 3 best pickleball paddles for beginners in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I have included affiliate links below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 3, best budget, SLK Latitude Pickleball Paddle. I recently got my hands on the SLK Latitude Pickleball Paddle, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for me. If you're just starting in pickleball like I am, this paddle is seriously worth considering. First off, the SLK Latitude has something called the Rev Core Plus and Spin Flex Surface. These fancy terms mean it's designed to give you better performance. You get a bigger sweet spot, which makes hitting the ball easier. Plus, it helps you spin the ball more and have better control overall. It's like the ultimate paddle upgrade to make your game awesome. Now, let's talk about spin. The paddle has this cool spin flex textured surface that helps you spin the ball like never before. This means you can control the ball better, which is super important for improving your game. And guess what? Despite all these cool features, it's affordable. When I'm playing, I want a paddle that feels like an extension of my arm. The SLK Latitude does just that with its G4 graphite face. I can feel every shot, and the control I get is amazing. It's like they've blended the latest technology with years of paddle making experience. Here's a big word: Polymer Rev Core Plus. It means the paddle has a thicker core that hits the ball harder. This, combined with the G4 graphite face, makes sure every hit feels solid. So whether you're smashing the ball or gently placing it where you want, this paddle has you covered. With a length of 15.5 inches and a width of 8.25 inches, it's a good balance of precision and power. The grip circumference of 4.25 inches with the SLK Ultra Comfort Grip makes it comfortable to hold, even during long matches. The 5.25 inch handle length gives the extra control you need to dominate the court. The SLK Latitude Pickleball Paddle is all about making your game better. With its special features, affordable price, and perfect design, it's a paddle that's ready to take your pickleball skills to the next level. Number 2, best overall Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. Let me tell you about my experience with Head's Elite Series Pickleball Paddle. I've been using it for a while now, and I have to say, it's impressed me. You know Head, right? They're the ones known for their top-notch skiing and tennis gear. Well, they've brought that same level of innovation to pickleball, and it shows. So what's the deal with their pickleball equipment? It's all about combining their years of expertise with the latest technology to give you the best stuff out there. Take their fiberglass paddles, for example. They're super light and have this special fiberglass surface that gives you great control and power when you're out on the court, especially if you're serious about competing. Now, let's talk about skill level. If you're not quite a pro yet, but you're past the beginner stage, their Elite Series is perfect for you. It's designed for folks at the mid-level of play, like those who belong to a club and want to step up their game. And when it comes to design, this fiberglass paddle has all the cool features you'd expect from Head. They've got this core made of polypropylene honeycomb, which combined with their new Ergo grip gives you just the right feel every time you hit the ball. It reduces those annoying vibrations. So if you're looking for top quality pickleball gear that'll take your game to the next level, you can't go wrong with Head's Elite Series paddle. Number 1, our pick, Prism Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. Let's talk about the Prism Series pickleball paddles. They're like the gold standard for carbon fiber paddles that won't break the bank. I've put these paddles through their paces, and here's what I found. First off, they've got foam edges. That might not sound like a big deal, but it makes a huge difference. It helps you reset after shots, place your shots where you want, and finish points. Plus, these paddles are tough and feel light and quick. I was also impressed by the polyurethane inserts in these paddles. They help absorb shock so your arm doesn't get all jolted with each hit, and they give you a better feel for the ball, which is always a good thing. What sets the Prism series apart, though, is the way they're made. Instead of relying on intense heat like some other paddles, they use a cold molding approach. This gives you more control and a softer touch, which I absolutely love. Compared to the original series, I did notice a bit less raw power with the Prism paddles, but honestly, they more than make up for it in control and plushness. The foam injected walls, made with a non-heat intensive process, give the paddle a solid one-piece feel. The Prism paddles also have a bigger cross-sectional area, which means the weight is spread out better. That makes it less likely to warp or bend, so you get consistent power across the whole paddle, even if you don't hit the ball perfectly every time. Oh, and did I mention these paddles are USAPA approved? That's a big deal, especially for serious players. And the raw T700 carbon fiber they're made of, top notch. It produces more spin and lasts longer than fiberglass or lower grade carbon fiber paddles. So yeah, if you're an everyday player looking for a paddle that's got it all, control, durability, and a great feel, the Prism series is where it's at. You wanted the best? You got it. That's it for the top 3 best pickleball paddles for beginners of 2024. For more product info, check the affiliate links and our website, toppick3.com. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest product videos.